After this guy got frustrated with his loud microwave, he discovered the craziest solution.
After all these years of owning microwave ovens, I'm just learning this now. When you're typing numbers on the keypad, it makes beeping noises, right? So when you cook something and then you hit start, when it's done, you hear this. Yeah, that's great to know when your food is done. But what if people in the house are trying to sleep, right? You can turn off the beeping by pressing and holding the number 2 first. Watch this. Do you hear those beeps? Now when you type anything on the keypad, listen. It's quiet. And if it stops cooking, it makes beeping noises, right? So when you cook something and then you hit start, when it's done, you hear this. Yeah, that's great to know when your food is done.
I'm going to see if this is really true. So, I have the same oven as the guy in the video. I mean, microwave. But I'm going to hold in 2. We're going to see what happens. Ooh. Oh my god. No way. Hold on. Oh my god. The theory is true. I can't believe it. Well, now I know that.